What's going on, everybody? Gary B. Jr. here. Today, we're going to learn how to take our display in FreeShow from looking like this to looking like this. Stay tuned to learn how. And so let's talk about this real quick. By default, your settings are set up to where you'll see your verses labeled like this, where the color is there, and then the bottom is going to be kind of grayed out or whatever your theme is, color. Okay. And then on the left side, we've got sections here, and you'll see them highlighted with they're in white text, but the outline is the color that I've selected. So I can right click on this and I can change the color from pink and I can make it be burgundy. All right. And I can save that. And what happens is it makes a burgundy outline around the title and around the entire section for countdown slides and so forth and so on for the orange and worship and scriptures in blue. How do we make this look different and even easier to read for anybody? So the first step is to go up to the settings. And then when you go to settings, you're going to select the general tab on the top left. And then we're going to go all the way down to the bottom here. And we're going to see an option in the slide section that's called high contrast color groups. We turn that on. And now if we go to show, check it out. Those colors where the word verse was highlighted in sky blue or blue. Now the actual bar is and the text is white. Same way here. Where we had just a burgundy outline, we now have a burgundy bar with the white text to make it even easier for us to navigate through our show. And this is the song sections, and then these are your actual service or project sections here as well. Now, just to make sure, in order to add a new section, you just go down here to this little 3-line button. When you select that, it asks you to name your section. So I'm just going to call this one new section for now. All right. When I hit enter, to lock it in, it goes where I was currently at. So I was in my song and it took it here. And notice it does not do anything special. All right. It looks like just a regular section. You have to right click on your section, hit change color, and then you can make it any color you want. And let's make this one be yellow and we'll save that. And now I've got this new section. And everything under there that was in the old section that it was broken up into becomes a part of this new section called new section. And it's in bold, bright yellow. And that's only bright yellow because we turned on the high contrast settings in FreeShow under the general tab. So hopefully this makes sense. This was a great question someone asked me in YouTube, and I wanted to make sure we answered it, but also made it available for everyone else as well. Have a great rest of the day. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope it helped you in a major way. Now, at this point, most people would ask you to like and subscribe, and I think that's great, but my goal is a little bit different. My goal is to empower as many people as possible all over the globe. And there's one way that you can really help me do that, and that is to leave a comment below with a question, a thought, how this video may have helped you, or things that were left out that you still have questions about, and to share this video with someone just like you, someone who is looking for answers, someone who's curious and wants to grow. With your help, I believe we can build a community of people that want to grow together. So until next time, God bless.